Matt joins the party.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, but we're going to school right now. And hopefully people are there, like.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I don't think anybody's gonna be there today.
Why? Because it's like the day before break.
Today's the National Skip Day of school, where everybody skips.
Oh.
Nah, I'm just kidding. I just made that up.
I was like, no, that's
Alright. So, yeah, let's get to fucking school. Alright, it's moving up day. I'm at the gym right now, and yeah, it's moving up day, so might be hanging out with friends later. We'll see. But I'm gonna be moving up on my exercises. So. Feel free to put music on.
I will. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, so guess where we're at. We are in my backyard, which, nothing too special, right? Well, this morning we were, this is the day before Thanksgiving break, by the way. All throughout this week, and probably the weekend too, I am going to be not uploading. So, what's up, guys?
Hi there.
Hey, vlog.
Oh, you can't really see everybody. Hold on. So we're having a bonfire right now, which is cool. And guess what I have? Guess what I have, people? Marshmallows. Yo, so.
6:05. We were just driving around.
Wait, 6:05? Like
I
left at 10 minutes ago? I left at like 6:10. Wait, how did it take that long? This is closer to my house.
And I was just driving around.
Was he mad?
Alright, so.
No, I was like, you wanted to go to your house? I was like, no, we're going to go to Sam's house.
Right now. Alright, so right now.
Dude, I have a headache from driving around.
Guys, so, right, this is the emergency water. This is the backup emergency water. Alright, if something goes out of control, you dump this on it.
I don't think anything's going on.
Yeah, I know. If something goes out of control, you dump this water on it. And then...
Don't knock it this way, because it's already sort of leaning a little bit.
And then what you do... Then what you do is you take this bucket, and then you use this bucket, and scoop some water out of that bucket and pour it again until someone can get down to the hose and use the hose, and then we'll be good. Anyways. You okay, Joe? Okay, you can't really see anything. Alright, so listen up, people. We have a few activities planned for tonight. First things first, we're going to just be talking. Can you see everybody? This is Ryan.
Hi.
This is Katie.
It's Matt.
Oh yeah, that's Matt. You've seen him in our vlogs before. This is Joe.
Yep.
And
hey.
Quinn, do you want to be mentioned?
Sure, I don't care.
This is Quinn. He's not a part of Silver Sprite, but, you know, he's still a good friend. Well, he doesn't have Snapchat.
Oh, yeah.
You should make a Snapchat.
Quinn, you should make a Snapchat, just like...
I literally only use Snapchat for Silver Sprite. Yeah, you use it for everything, right?
Alright, so...
And for roosting freshmen.
Yeah, the first thing we're doing is talking. Second thing we're doing is telling scary stories.
Oh, shit. Katie
So
gets
talking.
scared. Yeah, you do. Right?
And then the third thing we're doing is roasting marshmallows.
Oh, so me?
Oh my god, Ryan just roasted himself so hard.
Don't worry, it's fine. I get that all the time.
Is this carbon dioxide?
Alright, so we're just gonna do that stuff. Alright, so we're all finding sticks for marshmallows right now.
I almost slipped on it.
Twig.
Oh god, there's so many things.
It's also damp. Damp.
It's also damn.
Damp.
Oh, I got a double stick.
Hey. Yeah. Anyways, do you want me to post damp for you? Damp? Do something I definitely did. What? And my test you can show. What?
Here, can you open this?
Testing 10 nudes.
I can open it. There's a snake?
Yeah, I made. Okay, pretty much Sam wanted me to hold the back.
Wait, is that a snake? That's not a snake.
I'll open this for you.
Dude, that's not a snake, that's a hose.
Someone's all special.
No.
That's what Will said.
No, Sam's a little
Yo, here, open this. Matt, open this.
No,
I have a camera.
I thought a snake was a hose once.
Special. And then he actually got bit by a
Yeah, he
snake.
got bit by a snake.
Oh yeah, he picked up he thought the snake was a hose.
Boston baked beans live.
The Boston baked beans.
Bakers, whatever it is.
Yo, everybody watch
Boston
out.
baked beans are like those chocolate-covered peanut things.
Everybody watch out for the mean, lean green beans.
Baked beans, what is it called?
Yeah, this camera's
Yeah,
stuck.
Bush's baked
zoomed
beans.
There we go, got one out.
Big bush beans.
I'm saving this one for
Wait,
myself.
this
though,
like
'cause
it's like a
I'm,
bad
I'm
view.
naughty.
Because zoomed in this.
You know Madison Hines?
No.
Well, she's kind of hot.
Alright.
Is she like pants?
Yeah, a bunch
And
of
like,
that's
and like,
the thing the
and like,
sophomores
it turns
do.
out that he wasn't wearing underwear, so like everyone saw his.
Oh, shit.
Saw,
Oh,
he
yeah,
wasn't
I
wearing
heard about
underwear,
that.
Google, if you know what I mean.
But he wasn't wearing underwear?
One kid
Unfortunately,
wasn't,
according
I
to
guess.
everyone, it was
Who
not
was
that
it?
big.
I don't know.
Oh, and who was it?
I have no clue because I wasn't there when that happened.
Was it you,
Oh
Matt?
yeah, I have no
No.
clue. I don't remember anyone's name on the cross country team.
Henry's the kid that got in trouble with the school.
Well, there's
Or he
not.
might
If you didn't know this, what? Here you go. Oh. Walt Disney World was built in Florida, as you all know, and I believe it was in the 50s, which at the time was when the Cold War was happening. So it was the Cold War. They had to include bomb shelters, some way of protecting the patrons of the park in case if there was a threat of a nuclear exchange. So they built a certain number of bomb shelters in different parts of the park, and yeah, and they had them all stocked, and they were ready for disaster to strike. Anyway, it was an ordinary day one day, and everything seemed to be going okay. And suddenly, they went over the PA system, I suppose, and supposedly there was an exchange happening with Russia. The worst had come. And everyone was to go downstairs into the service tunnels and enter the bomb shelters. So everybody did that. They filed down. They went down into the service tunnels, which actually have a name. I forget what they're called now. Of course. And these gas masks weren't any ordinary gas masks. They wanted them to appeal to children. So what were they? Mickey Mouse and Goofy and Donald Duck. People put on these seemingly friendly gas masks and crowded into the bunker rooms. And one by one, they almost closed the doors. They had to leave them slightly open though, just in case. It was a safety procedure. If the door was closed all the way, it would latch permanently with no way of opening it again. And so all the doors were left with just a crack, waiting for the worst to actually come, in case if it was a false alarm, before closing all the way. And so people crowded in, and finally the last people rushed into the last bunker, room 7. And as the last people crowded in, the staff running the park realized that it was just a drill, an emergency drill, and it was not an actual exchange. So they started to file people out, starting at the first bunker, slowly, one by one, everybody coming out, in the second bunker, and they kept going on. Now the people in the last room, they still had no idea what was happening, so they were all crowded in the corner, scared, hundreds of them. Yeah, I believe they could hold about 100 people, maybe.
waiting for the worst to come. They were just on their vacation that day. They were enjoying their time at Disney. This was not what they're expecting to happen. They were horrified. And so they don't know about this procedure. And one by one, the next room is emptied. The next room, people in room 7 still waiting. And suddenly, it's gonna get cold down there. The voice of Mickey Mouse. They see what appears to be a Mickey Mouse glove. Sort of, a phantom-like glove. And the door closes. They still, mind you, they still have no clue that what this meant, that the door had closed. They thought it was what was supposed to happen. And the officials, the staff, they empty out the next room, and finally they get to room 7. And what they saw when they came up, horrified then, the door was indeed closed and permanently latched. Now, of course there was an investigation. There was like people, first responders there, people from on the news.
I came up with this.
We're on the vlog right now.
No,
Joe,
I was thinking.
Joe, give me a flashlight.
If you didn't think about Matt, I was gonna tell him to put his leg in the water, but that's.
Give me a flash.
Truth or dare?
What?
Truth or dare?
Dare. I mean, I'm going strong.
All right. You see that bucket of water right there?
Yeah.
I dare you to dunk
Oh
your head
shit.
in that.
Okay. All right.
The temperature outside is like 30.
It's like 30 out.
Jesus.
Oh god. All right. Someone film me.
Wow, Sam. Damn.
Here, Joe, do it. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Don't just point it like this.
That's the current temperature. 38 degrees.
It's 38 degrees out right
Matt,
now.
can you hold this? I'm gonna film this on my phone.
All right. Oh,
Sam,
god.
I will have. Oh wow.
At least I didn't say fire.
Dude, the camera can't see shit. Is the lens open?
Oh wait.
I
Yeah, it's open.
Wait.
am a true OG. Are you filming it?
Yeah, it's gonna be at the bucket.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Oh god. What? Oh, good.
How cold is that?
Like all the